Hi, my name is Rebeca Padilla from Melissa's Creation LLC, and today we're gonna do a demonstration for centerpiece for Easy Flowers and More. Thank you to Rob Vaquero who sent us the most beautiful flowers straight from Ecuador to our door. We're gonna start today with a short centerpiece. This is a selfie vase. Everything is covered with wire, chicken wire, and we're gonna put the water first. Our vase is filling with water, and right now we are ready to create a beautiful designs by Melissa's Creation LLC for Easy Flowers and More. We have some beautiful blooms here, which is hydrangea. We have a stalk. We have a beautiful roses, and we also at the end we're gonna add a beautiful orchid. We're gonna start with our hydrangea. In this case, I love to use the purple hydrangea. We're gonna cut the hydrangea. I love the product for Easy Flowers and More because it came straight from Ecuador to our door. We're going to continue with our second hydrangea. Assume our flowers came from Ecuador, we have to make sure to open our boxes and put the flowers in water to make sure they're gonna be fresh and ready for our clients, and they're gonna look beautiful for our gifts. We do gift orders, we do weddings, we do any type of events. We also do corporate events, and we are located in Washington, D.C., Maryland. We're gonna fill the vase first with hydrangea. We're gonna put, in this case, I'm gonna use some purple, some blues, green hydrangea, and we are going to place our last hydrangea in front of the vase. After you put the hydrangea, we're going to do the designs with the roses. I really love these roses because they're open wide and big, and this is called the Jeanette. Thank you to Easy Flowers and More for sending us the best product straight from Ecuador to our door. We're going to put our first hydrangea here. Our first rose. We're going to continue with our roses. Right now we are designing the roses. You can see it. We're gonna put the group of roses together. Thank you for being here and designing with us. We're gonna put another rose right here. Our clients, they really love this design. This design we call selfie vase, and for Mother's Day they order a lot of centerpieces and a lot of gifts orders, and all our flowers came from Ecuador. I'm glad that we work with Easy Flowers and More because it's easier for us to order the products and came straight from Ecuador to our door. We're gonna design gonna design the other side of the arrangement. So we're gonna put another group of roses. Okay, we're going to put another 2. Right now we are creating a 360 floral arrangement. That means that people, they can see it from in front, people they can see it from the back as well. If they put the arrangement on their eating table, on the living room, so it's the best way they can see the arrangement in 360. We are going to put another rose here. Sure. After the roses, we already put our roses, and we're going to continue with the stuff. In this case, I'm gonna use a purple. I really love the stuff from Easy Flowers and More. I'm gonna use the purple stock, and then I'm gonna use pink. And I'm gonna use purple. So I can use 2 pinks and 2 purples. And this stuff is gonna give us a height for our arrangement. We're going to place our first stalk in the middle of our arrangements. We're gonna clean up some blooms. We're going to put our pink stuff. As you guys see, you give the look of the vase have a hat of flowers. So this is a very pretty vase. It's called the safety vase. And we're going to put another stock right here. Pink stock, and we're gonna place the last one right here. Make sure your stems are touching the vase to make sure our centerpiece is gonna be hydrated. This centerpiece should last around 5 to 7 days, and that's why you have to make sure the stem is gonna be touching off the bottom of the vase in order to last longer. This is our beautiful centerpiece made by Rebeca Padilla from Melissa's Creation LLC from Washington DC, and thank you to Ralph Vaquero from Easy Flowers and More for sending us a beautiful hydrangea, beautiful blooms, beautiful roses, and beautiful stuff straight from Ecuador to our door. And we're going to use the last touch, which is the orchid. We're gonna put it in front, and we're gonna put our orchid, and this would be the last touch for our arrangement. So as you can see, we are already done. And thank you for watching us, and thank you to being here. And don't forget to order your flowers straight from Ecuador from Easy Flowers and More. See you guys later. Bye.